Today we'll be going over the Prometheotech Week 8 SQL assignment. These first three drop table clauses need to be dropped before these two. This is because these have foreign key relations. We'll go on and explain that here in just a second. While these two don't. These only have primary key constraints. First, we'll create the table if exists for project, auto increment, so on. But we only have a primary key, and we've correlated it with the project ID column, which will auto increment. We then go down to category, which also has a primary key, category ID. The primary keys they cannot repeat. You can have multiple primary keys per table to reference from other tables. Down here, we start to get into our foreign keys. So we dropped the project and category last, and we created them first. So we cannot delete these until the foreign key has been removed. So we just drop the tables, and that drops the relationship, and then we can drop these. But to form the relationship, we need to create these tables first, and then have the foreign key relations set after. This foreign key, for example, references the project ID column. So we've named it the project ID whenever we add it to this table. And it references the projects table on column project ID. So this content will be the same as what's in here. If we delete anything from here, it will delete it from here. This is because we have the on cascade delete. And the same applies to these as well. To see this in action, we will click this orange scroll button, the execute refresh, drop down, and you can see we've created everything that we need. Demonstrate this script in action, we can hit the orange script button or the old orange scroll button. And this will execute this series of commands or this series of statements. This will execute this series of statements in order, which is why the foreign key drops or the table drops are important. And as you can see, now that we've ran it, we can come refresh our tables. And you can see we have all of the tables with all of their corresponding columns of data.